So colors are very important. They are not just, to create a nice color shade for your drawing. In fact, our drawings normally are printed in black and white and grayscales as well. So these are the color standards. So colors are actually equivalent to a line weight. So we use colors for the line thickness. So for gray, for example, that's a very thin line, and we assign the color number 8. So that's very specific, color number 8, not any other color. And this is used for annotation, like some grid lines, object lines, like tiles, ceiling grids, and the like. And then we have thin lines, which is color 1. Color 1, yes. And that's used for annotation, dimensions, and grid lines. And then we have green uh, for objects that are thin, like hidden lines, window seal, roof overhangs. Then we have the medium line, color 7, white, used for annotation, small and medium text, or magenta for object lines, used for doors, medium lines in elevation. Notice that there are different thicknesses also for floor plans as well as elevations. The idea is to use line weights to make your drawing pop out. So we have thick lines, which are blue and yellow, used for annotation, large text, that's the blue, color number 5, and number 2, yellow for object lines like walls, columns, floor plans, outline in elevation. The very thick color is cyan, is for annotations, large text for title blocks, okay, and other objects. So line weights are very important. So like we say, color yellow for walls, because we want to emphasize the wall, because it is a major element in your floor plan or your building. And then we want to de-emphasize a little bit the windows. That's why this will be magenta, right? And then the window seal, which you can see is the color green, or a medium line thickness or thin line thickness. So if you look at a window, right? So you see here that the glass is being cut. That's why it gets a medium thickness for the line. And then for the window seal, this and that frame underneath, because it's not being cut, so we want to de-emphasize those. So those lines will be green. Walls, of course, are very important, right? So we want to emphasize it by uh, giving it a thick line. So if you don't have those line thickness, everything will look too flat, right? So you can see here some of the ways we draw doors and windows. Okay, next we're going to talk about plot styles.